How to track a package on FedEx. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can track a package on FedEx. To track a package on FedEx is one of the simplest things to do. Just ensure that you've gotten your tracking number from the email or the confirmation email or the receipts that you got after your shipping was successful. So once you have a tracking number, just log in into your FedEx account, and then once you're logged in on the home page or the page directly, you'll see three tabs, namely rate and ship, track, locations. Automatically, it's usually on the track, and then just all you need to do is to click on the field where you can see tracking number. Entering the tracking number, move to the right side of the screen, click on track, and then you'll be taken to the page where the status of your package, the estimated delivery date, and other details would be displayed. But then, if you cannot see this track, go to the top part of the screen and select the tracking tab, and then follow the same procedure. Enter in your tracking number, click on track, and you'll be taken to the page where all of your products will be tracked as well. So here is how it works. This is how you can track your number, track your package on FedEx. Thank you and have a good day.